Welcome to the Interrogation Room. When an AI generates a response, it speaks with absolute confidence. It sounds like an expert. But underneath that polished text, an AI is essentially a guessing machine, calculating the most probable next word. Its confidence is never a guarantee of the truth. Sometimes it follows a language pattern so well that it invents facts, people, or sources out of thin air. We call this a hallucination. It is a detail that sounds entirely real, but is completely fake. Your mission today is to test this weakness directly. You're going to build a verification log, stepping into the role of a detective to actively catch the machine in a lie, or find the evidence to definitively prove it right. Step 1 is preparing your workspace. You need a side-by-side view for cross-examination. Split your screen down the middle, locking your AI chatbot to the left, and opening a blank search engine on the right. Setting up this dual-screen layout provides the necessary infrastructure for your investigation. This workspace allows you to interrogate every claim the AI makes in real time. Now, let's set the trap. On the left side of your screen, give the AI this exact prompt. Give me 3 scientific facts about how 3D printing helps the environment, and give me the name of the scientist who discovered each fact. Read through the response it generates. Pay close attention to the tone. It uses phrases like "studies show" and "according to research," structuring its answer to sound authoritative. But remember, the machine is not reaching into a verified database. It is spinning a mathematical sequence, picking words that logically follow your prompt. Skip the smooth paragraphs and zero in on the hard data. Highlight strictly the first scientist's name and their environmental claim. Because the engine relies on probability rather than hard knowledge, highly specific details like names and citations create immediate logic gaps. They are the exact points where the machine is most likely to fail, making them your primary targets. Take the specific name you highlighted, move over to your right screen, and paste it into the blank search engine. Add the keyword 3D printing right next to it, and hit enter. This action is called a cross-reference. It is the act of checking the AI's generated claim against independent external sources. Look closely at the results page. You are scanning to see if this exact person appears anywhere in connection with 3D printing research. If you had pasted the entire sentence the AI wrote into the search bar, the results would be skewed. Search engines look for word matches, so feeding it the AI's exact phrasing will often pull up similar AI-generated articles. And even if you find the scientist's name on the web, you have only proven a person by that name exists. That is only half the battle when determining if they are an actual authority. To clear that second hurdle, we use source vetting. You must confirm the individual in your search results is a recognized expert in this field, not just someone who happens to share the same name. Run a quick context check on the links provided. See if the results point you to a published scientific paper, a university staff directory, or a recognized research lab. A reliable shortcut is looking directly at the web address. Scan the search result URLs for established authority markers, specifically educational domain extensions like .edu or the distinct addresses of major scientific journals. Now log your finding. If the search confirms their expertise, mark it as verified. If the name belongs to an unrelated professional or if they don't exist at all, stamp your log with hallucination. Pause the video right here. Go back to your AI count, isolate the remaining 2 scientists, and repeat the full vetting process for both of them. By diligently checking these sources and logging your results, you create a firm boundary. You separate the smooth language generated by a machine from the actual documented truth. This diagram shows a fully interrogated verification log. With your facts checked and your final accuracy score tallied, your initial mission is complete. Notice the shift in your workflow. You have replaced passive acceptance of the text on your screen with an active demand for proof for every claim made. You practiced evaluative thinking. In an environment flooded with synthetic text, identifying and correcting a machine's error is the essential component of modern research. Keep that standard high. Keep your screen split and your verification logs ready for every prompt you write from here on out. Mastering this interrogation process strips away the illusion of the fluent liar. It puts you in total control, transforming a guessing machine into a safe, reliable tool for your own learning.